I've been working with digital dentistry the last 20 years. Today, 70% of the cases we receive in the laboratory are digital. We are expecting this number to still increase. Digital dentistry is much more efficient to me because the doctor can see their scans, check the bite, do everything before they send off the case to the laboratory. Once they send off the case to the laboratory can discuss with the dentist and have very nice communication before even the case has started. There was a big change in the laboratory industry about 10 to 15 years ago when everybody in the industry on the lab side started to get scanners. I expect the same change to happen to the clinic part. So we'll see about 95% of the people in clinics will have intraoral scanners within the next few years.